Good morning students, welcome back to the third video. This is the final one on subject verb agreement. The remaining 8 rules, we had already discussed 16 minus the master rule that singular takes singular and plural takes plural. So we in the total we have discussed 17 rules so far, and last 8 we will be discussing together. The few rules we have seen that you must see not only the individual numbers, whether it is talking about group, like in the is very important. That is a common mistake student make. So be very careful when you are using a verb, when the subject is being addressed with the determiner the and the determiner a, or we can say indefinite article or a definite article. Right? Let's start. Let's proceed. Now we come to rule number 17. Now pay good attention to this. This is a longish one. These nouns may be singular or plural in meaning, like athletics, genetics, politics, gymnastics, statistics. When the noun refers to an organized activity, it is singular. But when the noun refers to the activities of individual within a group or a varied activities, it is plural. See, these are name of sports, then politics, statistics is the name of a subject, politics also is the name of a subject. Anyway, these are singular or plural in meaning depending on the fact that whether we are talking about individuals or whether we are referring as a group. Gymnastic is very popular among girls. So gymnastic, we are talking as a group. All the activities involved in gymnastics as a sport is popular among girls. So gymnastic is taken as singular over here. Hence we use a singular verb is. The gymnastics shown in the field today were outstanding. Now the gymnastics shown in the field, the different activities involved in gymnastics, right? They were shown on the field. So we are talking about different activities, all displayed singularly, but they are more than one in number, so it becomes plural, right? So genetics is a subject, but the genetics informations available there are not with the information of different genetics we are talking about over here. So once again, we are talking about individual numbers that are more than one, hence it becomes a plural. So when you try to make a sentence, you have to be very careful regarding to whether you are talking about the activity as a group or as a collection of individual activities. So that way the use of verb would differ. The name of a country is always regarded as singular. This is a very simple rule. In childhood also you must have studied in lower classes. This one is the Bahamas has beautiful beaches. Philippines is a wondrous place. These are individual countries, hence name of countries, although they may sound plural, like Bahamas, Philippines, they are nations like that, na? Caymans. So these all are used, treated as singular, although they may sound plural. Adjectives used as noun are considered plural. Now adjectives used as noun. So when we say, for example, here is given the poor are to be helped. Now poor is a adjective for a noun, a person, a poor person. So person is a noun, poor is the adjective of it. But poor here, when we use the term the poor, it makes a group of people who are poor, which contains a number of poor people. So the poor, when we say, it becomes are to be helped. The efficient are with this country. Now we are talking about the efficient. There is a section of people or a number of people who are efficient, and that is what is required by countries. Not one efficient man, it's a group of persons. So that is why it is plural over here. Now collective nouns may be singular or plural. depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. Collective nouns may be singular or plural, depending on whether the individual members are acting individually or collectively. These nouns are company, group, committee, crowd, jury, flock, team. These are all collective nouns. But if the members are addressed separately, then they become plural. And if the the group members are addressed as a single group, it would be considered singular. The committee is against the plan. So when the company is against the plan, means all the members are together on the fact that so we are acting as a company. The committee are of different opinion. So different opinion means a few members have one opinion and others have different. Hence, it should be taken as a plural verb. It would take a plural verb rather. In the use of mathematical expressions, following are accepted. Now you see, look at this very carefully. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 and 3 are 10. Yes, 7 and 3 are two different subjects joined by and, therefore it becomes plural. 5 times 2 are 10. Right? Once again, 5 minus 2 is 3. So addition and subtraction we use is. Other than that, we are using it as plural verb, taking them as two different objects. And 7 plus 3 means collective as 1. Let's move on. Title of books, plays, articles, movies, etc. is regarded as singular, even though the word in the title is a plural. So, if we are addressing a title of a book, although even it's a plural, we will use a singular verb, simply because we are talking about one book. In Dreams Begin Responsibilities is a story by D. Schwartz. Great Expectations is a must-read novel. You see, we are talking about one book, so even if the title is plural, it doesn't matter. We will use a singular verb. Names of organization take a singular verb when the whole organization is referred to, and a plural verb when the members are referred to. As company, as in group. So Lopez and Sons is a successful organization, but Lopez and Sons are holding 2-day annual meeting. So basically, Lopez and Sons company cannot meet with itself. Members of the company are meeting, workers of the company are meeting. Hence, it's taken as a plural. So not very difficult to remember. The rule associated with organizations, if we are mentioning the organization itself, it's singular, and we are dividing the organization between its member, then it would be plural. Now the last rule comes over here. If a sentence begins with the expletive it, the subject is always singular, even if the subject that follows the verb is plural. It is the schools which must assume responsibility. Right? So any sentence beginning with it, the verb would always be singular. It is us who must take care of the environment. The verb followed is plural. Us, schools. But since the sentence begins with it, we take a singular verb in this subject. To write sentences with there, it. In there you have to remember the verb close to there. You have to see what you say. The verb would be plural or singular. But in case of it, irrespective of the subject, the verb would be plural. Well, that's all for this video, subject-verb agreement. Hopefully you like it and you find the rules helpful for yourself. Till we meet again, all of you take good care of yourself, study hard and be well. Goodbye.